Assalamu alaikum. This is Discrete Homotopy Theory lecture series. So today our topic is local isomorphism and couplings. So first of all, we will see the definition of right-lifting property in discrete homotopy theory. Let's say C be any category. C as a category, but the definition of category as we know in the category theory lecture series, and we have a morphism P from C to D. Okay, where C and D are the objects of C category. In C has a right lifting property against the morphism I. Okay, I is a morphism and also in the category of C from A to B, where A and B are the objects in category C. If if for every commutative square of the form, so we have a commutative square where is the morphism from I is a morphism from A to B, and P is a morphism from C to D, and let's say U is a morphism from A to C, and B is a morphism from B to D. Okay, then if there exists a morphism H from B to C, if there exists a morphism H, if there is a morphism H from B to C called left, means H is a left. Okay, H is a left such that the following diagram commute, means if we commute P compose H is equal to B, and if we commute upper triangle, which is first of all I, then compose H is equal to U, means first of all we go to A to B from I morphism, then apply H morphism, so which is equal to U. And if we go to first of all H according to the lower triangle, then apply P morphism, which is equal to V. Okay, so such a diagram commutes. Furthermore, if H is a unique, okay, if H is a unique morphism from P to C, which is the diagram, there is a morphism V and A to B is I and this is U. If H is unique, so we can say P has a unique right lifting property against I. Okay, let's see next definition. We have a definition of star neighborhood NX. What is NX? Where is there is a vertex X belongs to the vertex set of V in a graph X. X is a graph basically, and two ordered pair of two sets X comma V, V comma X, and E comma X. Okay, means edge set or vertex set. So the star neighborhood NX of a vertex X, which is the member of X graph, is a subgraph. Means NX is a subgraph of X. Given X, the vertices of the vertices of this subgraph NX is equal to those vertices belongs to the vertex set XV, such that X prime is the related to X, or we can say X prime is equal to X, means there is an edge between X prime and X, or X prime should be equal to X. Okay, if if one of the condition is hold, then we can say The vertices belongs to the vertex set of this subgraph. And what is the edge set? All the edges belongs to the vertex set such that this vertex, okay, this is the particular vertex, this vertex belongs to the edge, okay, all the edges. Let's say this type of graph means x, there is a there is an edge, sorry, this is an undirected edge with x prime, x1, x2, x3, x4, and so on with xn. So this is the subgraph. Okay, this is the subgraph of x, and what are the vertices belongs to this set x3, x2, x1, xn, x prime, x1. All the vertices belongs to this set is a is an edge with x. Okay, and what type of edges belongs to this subgraph? Let's say e1, e2, e3, e4, and e5, e6. So all the edges, and according to the definition of edge, there are two vertices. The cardinality of edge is equal to 2. This is the starting and this is the end, or we can say this is the starting and this is end. So one vertex in all edges should be x. Okay, so we can say the edge set of the edge set of the star neighborhood subgraph equal to e, and all x sorry, all e's belongs to all e's contain x. Okay, so this is the definition of star neighborhood. Okay, let's end this video. Allah Hafiz.